when it comes down to things like audio, like headphones and whatnot, um, I've had some pretty interesting adventures. These things, one of them is actually in my ear right now because I'm in a Discord call with Pandora. These things have been really solid backup options, like down to the whoops, knocked it over, down to the level of like I've had more than one pair of these. Also, conveniently missing the same earbud. This one actually got lost. But yeah, so when it comes down to that, there's these and these have been a solid they're $17 over at Walmart. Like they work great. Like the audio quality is not fantastic, but they do the job really really well. Then we have these things which rest in peace. But my wife found out that they, like many other headphones, are not waterproof at all. So but they were great. They were fantastic. I could use an impact at work, and people could still hear me talking. So these were beautiful. Would love to get another pair of these Galaxy Buds 3. You know, some other time, and they're flicky. Like they got that fidget toy aesthetic. The only thing I didn't like with them is this clear top. It got marred up. It held up pretty well for the job that I do as a day job, but they got marred up a bit. So there's those. But now we have these things, and these, in spite of their dark aesthetic, these are the slate, I believe, is the color that I got here. Hazel. I got the Hazel ones, and these are pretty, very pretty. They're the Google Pixel Bud 2As. So very very nice, aesthetically pleasing. Looks like it's recycled paper, or at least made to look like it's recycled paper. I'm not entirely sure. Type box, which I appreciate versus like the glossy type boxes. I kind of like that, you know, kind of old timey feeling type. Like not perfectly white box. But we've got this little pull tab here on the back, so we're gonna pull this puppy up. Oh, well, that's it. Does it? Oh, now it just slides out. Okay. Well, look at these. Now I wanted the purple ones, which are iris or something like that. They're like a violet type color. But I could not find them anywhere. So we have the hazels. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pull that tab off. And those are beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. We'll get to pairing here soon. The pairing process here soon. There is something to note on the inside. They take a Torx bit, but the battery is replaceable in these for the case itself. I'm sure. Oh, you can't accidentally put them in the wrong spot. It won't let you close the case. That's cool. I'm sure these are replaceable in some facet. If you have a Jimmy tool or something like that, I'm sure somebody will find a way to replace the batteries. You can replace the batteries inside of like AirPods as well. It just requires a little bit of a skill set. Okay, we got a pairing sync button here on the back, right? And then it is Type C rechargeable. So take my nice little Type C charger, plug it in. I would use my Pixel charger, but that's currently running the phone that's doing this, doing the recording here. So, all right, let's take a look at the rest of the box here while we let those sit on the charger, and then we'll do some pairing process. Oh yeah, it's recycled paper. Look at that. That is really nice. That's really, I like that. All right. And then we have the Google Pixel Buds packaging. We have extra small, small, and large. So fold it open. It's got the little ear tips in there. Large. I'm assuming that means that the mediums are in the earbuds already. That would make sense that we would have like a medium package. I like this though. All right. And we got a little booklet. Oh, it's got some paper over it. All right, so we got a little booklet here. Just kind of, safety and warnings. And then Google Pixel Buds 2a. Flip open the case. Hold the button for 3 seconds, I'm assuming. Bluetooth pairing mode. And then put them in your ear cups. Yeah, medium are already on there. Look at that. Very nice though. Very aesthetically pleasing. I like that. That's kind of pretty. All right, we'll go ahead and put this back together because aside from this paper, everything else. Was there a way for me to do this without fucking destroying it? Without absolutely destroying it? Was there a way to do this without me absolutely destroying it? No, that would have just shredded apart. All right, not a problem. And they feel like they're kind of like a paper or kind of like rice paper type feel to them. Alrighty. So now for the fun part of the evening of the unboxing event. We are going to go here on my Google Pixel, which is about to die. That's great. Okay. I go on my Google Pixel. I'm going to open it up. Now, there we go. It automatically detects it. Okay. Oh, it automatically detected it, but okay. Available devices. Pair. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to forget these ANCs here. Save. Add. Use. Yeah, that's fine. I don't. Turn on. That was kind of obnoxious. We'll go ahead and put these back in the heads case right there. All right. Oh, it's got. Oh wow, it's got a. Let me adjust my camera real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and put these this in my ear, and oh my god. Okay. So it's got a transparency mode, and I can hear the air conditioner going. Okay. And we have noise canceling on. It's a little make your ears want to water kind of noise canceling. It's pretty common when you're first using when you first use them. And I haven't had noise canceling in a while because these have been dead. So body's kind of trying to like figure out what to do with that. Alrighty. The noise cancellation. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Find, allow to connect the buds. Allow. Let's see. We have an equalizer that's here. We can play with that over time. I'll figure out what what did I just do? What did I just change there? Oh, it's got a balancer. Oh, so I can if I have like like my ears don't work. Like the one ear is a little bit more damaged than the other. See loudness levels. Okay. Okay. So where they adjust? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so Pandora's talking to me. Obviously, you guys can't hear Pandora talking to me, um, but it gives the current levels of like what the audio is. Um, that's kind of audio switch on. Your headphones can automatically switch audio sources based on what you're doing. Okay, we'll have to look into that. There's firmware updates, and then just the normal like how the case is performing, things like that. I will let you guys know what I think about these a little bit later. I don't know if that'll be part of this video or a different video. But that was the unboxing of the 2As. I will say I bought this with my own money. Google, unfortunately, does not think that I'm cool enough to send me product for review. So I am already getting my greasy, grubby ass hands all over it. We're already getting. I haven't even been working on a car at all today. We're already getting. Uh, that's. Is it? Did it come from the Pixel? It probably came from the Galaxy Buds. Um, but yeah, it's the same eggshell kind of like white that we're used to with it, and then it's got that nice design. I like the accent though. You can tell like who like if you've got multiple colors in the house, right? I can kind of tell like which ones are yours if there's two different pairs. Um, so yeah, we'll go ahead. We'll play with it, and we'll see what else we have to say um, after some use with these. Hopefully, they don't go through the wash because I don't want to test that. Supposedly, the battery is replaceable. I did hear that. By hear that, I mean I saw um, the thumbnail for the LTT review for this. So we'll have to see what that video had to offer. Maybe I'll do a teardown and figure it out. But those screws on the inside, that's probably how we get to those headphones or to that battery. So yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be afraid to dive on into the